Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Let's we go to demo of system. The title of the project is Privacy Aware Authentication Scheme for Distributed Mobile Cloud Computing Services. So the abstract of this project is an efficient authentication scheme for distributed mobile cloud computing services is proposed. In this paper, it provides a security and convenience for mobile users to access multiple mobile cloud computing services from multiple service providers using only a single private key. The proposed scheme is based on billionaire panning crypto system and dynamic announced generations. So next we go to the flow of this project. Explain about the flow of this project. So this is a flow diagram of this process of the service providers. First we go to the login page and the users login page. Now the login request, as we enter the user, then we have to getting authentications using login request and service provider also. The smart card, after the authentication verification, we go to enter the smart card generation. SGC is like smart device is called as SCG, smart card generator. After authentication, it will be goes to SGC. So next we go after enter the SGC, the generate private key. We have getting a private key from the server for users, each users who's joined in a smart card generator. So in this private key, we have to apply the file operations using this private key. Then the service provider also using all the permission and access also are done by this process. Next we go to the demo of this process. The home page will display here. This is the first page of this process. After open this project and frame, we click here. Then the user registration frame will be displayed here. We give our ID. So the username. So the date also display here. We send the request. The user the sending ID successfully sent to smart card generator. Then the ID also given here. User ID and key also getting here. Get ID. So view generated keys. The previous key generated keys will display here. And the previous user's details. Here after generate this user's key details, we click the generate private key button. The private key is allotted to the users. The particular key is for allotted to the new users, new user registration user. So send this private key and ID details for user service provider. So allotted key sent to the service provider for verifications. Next we click the arrow button and previous previous input details are given to here. The service provided details will be displayed, ID, name and stations and service stations also. We see private key means which users have entered this process, that users details here, ID and names also. Then check for shared data. So these secret data will be shared to the server. So registration successfully here. So next we go to enter all those details. So receive private key is received, then send service status also, then sending service request to the service provider, then request if the users will be informations will be correct, then only the service will be granted to the particular user. So the service provider details also getting from here. The file security, the file access process will be select in this process J20. Enter the private key, all those details. If the user's detail will not be accessed, we have to search in the details. Student, so pure. So we have to select the files. So document or fields. So we giving you the input file, the file locations and file names also here. So the result, we select the informations here. The files informations also. So details will be select here. Okay, is used for that. So the encryptions done on transfer to the file particular locations, connect to the client also. So the decryptions process also. The file will be decrypted in very efficient manner. This way we have to secure the keys here. We select the file locations. So the filtered files information access also. The key informations we are getting here. So in this way the process will be repeated here. So in this process continue our services. So the services will be continue here in this way. So thank you for watching.